Well, as we all know, eye care is very important as well as eyelid hygiene, but what if makeup is involved? Here to talk more with me on that is Dr. Amy Mai. Dr. Mai, thank you for having me today.
Oh, thanks for coming. I appreciate it.
Yes, of course. I always look forward to talking to you about these topics. Now, what advice do you have for those that wear eye makeup or false eyelashes, me being one of them?
I highly recommend whenever we wear false lashes that we always go to a certified esthetician, someone who has the knowledge to properly put the lashes on for you, but also advise on how to take care of them. There are a lot of home regimens that we could do once we have false lashes, and the most important thing is taking care of lid hygiene. What can we do to make sure our lashes are clean and also prevent any bacteria from forming on the lashes?
Okay, so, me being someone who wears false eyelashes every single day, what can I do to keep them clean as far as removing the glue?
So we want to be very careful about removing the lashes without damaging your actual true lashes. So when we remove them, what we want to do is you can use a very gentle oil-free makeup remover, such as these wipes, or you could use a solution. You could also use micellar water too. You could put that on a cotton pad and saturate them. And what you want to do is get a cotton pad and gently saturate that cotton pad with the oil-free makeup remover or micellar water. And you're just going to gently hold it over your eyes with them closed for about 15 seconds because you want that glue to dissolve. Another thing you could do is remember, if you want to, you kind of blink just to help get it release that glue.
Okay.
Now after you take off, you remove the cotton pad, you just want to very gently remove the lashes too.
Okay,
Yes.
So do this beforehand, don't just rip off the eyelash right away.
Yes.
Oh my goodness, I'm so glad that you are giving me this advice because this is something that I do every single day. And by the way, Miss Mia, thank you so much for being our beautiful model. How does the spring weather affect our eyes and even in our skin, right?
So the spring is beautiful here in the coastal bend. You can see the trees starting to bloom, but with that comes pollen and allergies. So a lot of us might be suffering from itchy, watery eyes when we go outside. So I recommend using over-the-counter allergy eye drops such as Pataday, Zatador, or Aloe just to help with the allergies. It will help treat the itchiness, the watery eyes, and also help with the puffiness that we get with the weather.
Okay, and that's great. So I have to also ask personally, I'm curious, how well do these makeup wipes do with removing eye makeup as well as makeup in general? I know it's kind of it can be a little bit confusing for some girls to pick out a good one. Which one would be best for removing eye makeup?
When using makeup removers, like I said, the most important thing is technique. So we don't want to rub your skin or your lashes really hard because you're gonna damage that skin, especially the skin around your eye. It's a lot more thin and a lot more sensitive. So it's more about technique and using the right products. So you always want to use hypoallergenic, non-comedogenic, fragrance-free, but be gentle. So when you take off your makeup, I recommend using a cotton pad or using a makeup wipe and just gently hold it your eyes for about 15 seconds and then remove it too. Afterwards, you want to make sure we wash your face.
Yes, absolutely. Got to keep that skin clean, keep your eyes clean. Also, going back to the spring, how it can affect your eyes, what can we do what kind of medicine could we take if we're experiencing itchiness in our eyes, even if it isn't from makeup?
If we're having itchy, watery eyes, it's generally due to allergies. So you could use over-the-counter allergy medications, and these are eye drops. So you could use Zatador, Pataday, Aloe. I would stay away from Visine, Clear Eyes, or even Rhodo, because all that does is gets the red out, but you're not treating the true cause of the itchy, watery eyes, which is allergies.
Okay, great. So we covered a lot of important topics today with makeup, with allergies, especially during the spring. Do you have any other beauty tips that you would like to share with our viewers?
Most important thing is wash your face twice a day.
Okay.
We're outside a lot, remove all that sweat from being outside too, and just have a good regimen too. So everyone should again use a cleanser, a gentle cleanser, a moisturizer, and sunscreen.
Okay, great. I mean, most importantly, just be gentle with your skin. Don't rip off those eyelashes, ladies. Don't scrub your face very hard. It's very important to keep that skin moisturized as well. Dr. Amy Mai, where could we go if we want to schedule an appointment with you?
Yes. So we're at Doctors McIntyre, Garza, Avila, and Jerica, located on the second level at La Palmera. And y'all can feel free to email me. My email is drmai@cccontacts.com if you have any needs for eye care tips, skincare tips, or even dry eyes. Please come and see us.
Yes, absolutely, ladies. I hope you all took notes today. And Dr. Mai, please be sure to reach out to her if you guys have any more questions. And let's have a wonderful spring without those itchy eyes.